Wildlife encounter, the unyielding power of primates. The wild is a theater of constant struggle, where size often dictates the winner. But every so often, the script is flipped. Monkeys and apes may seem small or vulnerable compared to the apex predators of the jungle, but their true weapons are speed, razor-sharp intelligence, and an unbreakable sense of teamwork. Some predators learn this the hard way, discovering too late that underestimating a primate is a fatal mistake. Take, for instance, the silent and deadly python. Usually a master of the ambush, one particular serpent made a catastrophic error in judgment when it targeted a member of a monkey troop. The moment the python struck, it didn't just face one victim, it faced an entire army. The troop retaliated with a fierce, coordinated onslaught, swarming the snake with a flurry of bites and claws. Overwhelmed and outmatched by the collective fury of the troop, the predator quickly became the prey, learning a painful lesson in the power of numbers. But it isn't always about the group. Sometimes, it's about the sheer will of a single individual. In a shocking twist of fate, a venomous snake once managed to sink its fangs into a monkey's head. In the natural world, this is usually the end of the story. Yet, this primate refused to surrender. Driven by pure survival instinct and adrenaline, it fought back with relentless fury. Despite the venom, its agility and refusal to die allowed it to overpower the attacker, emerging victorious in a battle that seemed impossible to win. The dangers of the jungle aren't limited to snakes. Even larger mammals find themselves humiliated by the quick wit of primates. We've seen raccoons wander too close to chimpanzees, only to be met with terrifying speed and immense strength. Chimps are among the most formidable creatures on Earth. Once they set their sights on an intruder, the outcome is almost always inevitable and brutal. It is a stark reminder that in the heart of the jungle, mercy is a rare commodity, and survival belongs to the strongest and the most decisive. Even the most iconic predators, the big cats, are not immune to frustration. Imagine a powerful lioness, the queen of the savannah, trying to snag a monkey perched high in the canopy. Every leap and every swipe of her massive paws meets nothing but air. The monkey move with effortless grace, turning a life-or-death hunt into a game of catch me if you can. Eventually, even the mighty lioness must admit defeat, exhausted and outplayed. Similarly, the tiger, a master of the forest, often finds that gravity and agility are its greatest enemies when chasing monkeys through the trees. One slip, one missed branch, and the great hunter ends up on the forest floor, humiliated and empty-handed. In urban and suburban environments, the conflict continues with man's best friend. Stray dogs often believe their superior size and numbers give them the upper hand. But a cornered monkey is a dangerous opponent. Using calculated moves and lightning-fast reflexes, monkeys can outmaneuver a pack of canines with ease. Sometimes, it only takes a single, well-placed slap, a strike so powerful and unexpected that it sends a dog scurrying away in total confusion. These encounters prove that victory isn't about brute force, it's about skill, wit, and the courage to hold one's ground. Perhaps most surprising of all is when even the stealthy leopard, a master of the shadow, finds itself intimidated. When surrounded by a vocal and aggressive troop of monkeys, even this elite killer can freeze in place, too overwhelmed by the collective defiance to make a move. And in the rarest of sightings, we have witnessed the unbelievable, a single, brave monkey charging directly at a lioness. This sheer audacity, this refusal to be afraid, is enough to make even the most fearsome beast turn tail and run. Nature is unpredictable and often unforgiving. Whether it is a troop defending its own or a lone primate fighting for its life, these battles teach us that resilience is the ultimate survival tool. In the animal kingdom, the sharpest minds and the quickest reflexes prevail. It is a world where instinct meets strategy, and where the smallest creature can become a giant when faced with a challenge. Next step. The primal struggle, strategy and survival. In the heart of the wild, the balance of power is a delicate thing. While we often think of predators as the masters of their domain, the intelligence of primates creates a unique defiance against the laws of nature. Monkeys are not just passive inhabitants of the forest, they are tactical geniuses who use their speed and social bonds to survive encounters that would be fatal for any other animal. This is most evident when a predator like a python makes the mistake of thinking a monkey is an easy meal. When the troop retaliates, it is a calculated storm of violence, showing that teamwork can dismantle even the deadliest of coils. The resilience of these creatures goes beyond group defense. On an individual level, a monkey's will to live is staggering. Even when a venomous snake manages a direct strike to the head, the battle is far from over. The primate's agility and fury can turn a defensive struggle into an offensive victory, leaving the predator defeated by an opponent it vastly underestimated. This raw survival instinct is what defines life in the jungle, a place where hesitation or underestimation is the quickest path to death. When we look at the larger primates, such as chimpanzees, the level of intensity rises significantly. Chimps are known for their immense physical power and complex social structures, which they use with terrifying precision. Whether they are dealing with a wandering raccoon or hunting smaller monkeys, their attacks are swift, savage, and leave no room for escape. It is a haunting glimpse into the darker side of the animal kingdom, where dominance is asserted through overwhelming force and strategic coordination. However, the wild also offers moments of unexpected irony. The great predators of the feline world, such as lionesses and tigers, often find their match in the canopy. A monkey in the trees has the ultimate advantage: gravity and verticality. We see the frustration of a lioness as she swipes at an agile monkey that is always just out of reach, eventually forcing the queen of the jungle to walk away in defeat. Even the tiger, with all its power, can be humbled by a simple slip from a branch, falling to the ground while its agile target watches from above. In environments where nature meets civilization, the conflict shifts to stray dogs. Often, these canines use their numbers to corner a primate, believing victory is certain. But a monkey's intelligence allows it to calculate every dodge and every strike. It is not always the size of the animal in the fight, but the skill and wit of the fighter. A single, powerful slap from a monkey can be enough to shatter a dog's confidence, ending a confrontation before it escalates further. This level of intimidation even extends to the leopard, one of nature's most perfect killing machines. When faced with a unified troop of monkeys, the leopard's instinct for ambush is replaced by hesitation and fear. The struggle for survival is a constant lesson in adaptability. From dodging the relentless attacks of yellow-throated martens to the shocking audacity of a small primate charging a lioness, the message is clear. Courage and determination can bridge the gap between the vulnerable and the fearsome. In the end, the wilderness doesn't just reward the strongest, it rewards the smartest, the fastest, and those who refuse to back down. Every encounter we witness is a testament to the incredible resilience of life and the unpredictable nature of the animal kingdom. Beyond the physical battles, what we are witnessing is an incredible display of evolutionary intelligence. These primates have spent millions of years perfecting the art of survival in environments where they are often the smaller targets. It is not just about the strength of their limbs, but the strength of their social bonds. When a troop stands together against a leopard or a python, they are demonstrating a level of tactical cooperation that few other species can match. This unity is their ultimate shield against the unforgiving laws of the jungle. Every snap of a branch, every warning cry echoed through the canopy, and every calculated strike is a part of a sophisticated survival strategy. We've seen that even the most feared predators, the lions, the tigers, and the snakes, can be forced to retreat when they encounter an opponent that refuses to play the role of the victim. It serves as a powerful reminder that in the natural world, courage is just as vital as camouflage or claws. As we close this journey into the wild, we are left with a